Hi there, my name is Liz Seville. I'm part of BrainCell's consulting team, and I'm here to discuss with you the factors that influence our pricing. So we understand as a consulting team that we don't provide one-size-fits-all services. We like to tailor our services to be unique to our customers' needs. With that being said, that means that there's a lot of factors that go into play in determining how we price our offerings, from blueprints to data dashboarding to implementations and so on. So we wanted to be transparent about this pricing structure with you, and it all goes into these 4 tiers where our focus of our consulting effort lies: technology, process, data, and people. So wanted to review some of these factors. Within technology, ultimately, we're looking at the number of systems that we're reviewing, how customized or configured they already are, and the desire to migrate onto a new system, possibly adopt new technology, or just re-implement existing technology. On the process side of things, whether or not there's existing data in process governance plays a huge factor in determining the amount of time and energy that goes into our implementations, our dashboarding, and where we can help provide coaching for our clients. So we'd like to meet you there as well. And then existing process documentation, that might be a step that we can omit if there's really thorough documentation internally, for instance. And within the data side of things, this is the number of KPIs that have already been identified and whether or not they're already being evaluated internally. It's the data volume and the complexity of the request of what you'd like to have done with the data, the existence of unique identifiers across existing systems, the presence of a more modern data approach that might be a data warehouse, data lakehouse, or a BI tool, whether those are already in place or something that you'd be looking to augment your current offerings with, and the presence of data hygiene. So how clean is your data? How much of a data cleaning effort might have to happen? Those are just some of the factors that we consider. And lastly, but most importantly, people. We want to make sure to meet you where you are and really impact the folks that are within your organization and offer them the best support as possible. So the more resources you have devoted to the project internally, possibly the lighter lift on our end, or if you have folks that are already relatively tenured and are able to act as SMEs, and you have quite a few folks internally as SMEs, that might impact as well the experience and existence of somebody to act as an internal change manager or a project manager, or whether you have system admins already internally that we'd be working alongside, or whether that's a need for you going forward, and just the number of individuals that we'd be working with and interviewing. All of these factors will impact the number of resources, the type of resources, and the length of time that it will take on our end to make sure that we're meeting you where you are as a team, and that we're offering you the best growth enablement tools to get your company from where you are currently to this growth-enabled, enhanced version of yourselves. So those are just a couple factors that really can have a huge impact on the amount of money that you'd be investing in a consulting project. And we'd be happy to talk to you in more detail about what those factors look like internally within your company. Thanks so much.